Morning, students. Today we are going to start with the first chapter of bookkeeping and accountancy. So, your first chapter will be Introduction to Bookkeeping and Accountancy. So, before I start, I want to tell you your 11th standard bookkeeping and accountancy is a foundation for your commerce career. So, you should be very attentive while learning bookkeeping and accountancy of your 11th standard, because here it is like a base for you. Okay, based on this performance of your 11th standard, the success of your commerce career you will come to know when you get your results. because कॉमर्स 11th स्टैंडर्ड के कॉमर्स में आप लोगों को सब कुछ जो पढ़ाया जाएगा, क्योंकि एज यू नो कि आप लोग जब 10th में थे तब कॉमर्स के बारे में कुछ भी नहीं जानते थे. इफ़ यू ऑल वर हैविंग IB बोर्ड देन यू ऑल मस्ट हैव सी सम ग्लांसेस, मतलब थोड़ा सा आपको कॉमर्स के बारे में पता होगा. लेकिन जो CBSE बोर्ड के बच्चे हैं या स्टेट बोर्ड के बच्चे हैं, उनको तो कॉमर्स एक फुल्ली न्यू सब्जेक्ट है. तो आप लोगों को कॉमर्स के जैसे आप लोग LKG UKG में ABCD पढ़ते थे, वैसे ही कॉमर्स का ABCD आपको 11th स्टैंडर्ड में पढ़ना है. तो यू शुड बी वेरी केयरफुल. इफ़ यू हैव एनी डाउट, clarify. The mail ID will be given to you all have to clarify. Okay, so introduction to bookkeeping and accountancy. So before I start, I would like to give one example for you all. Okay, there was one boy whose name was Rahul. Okay, so he completed his graduation, he completed his post graduation, he completed his MCom degree. Okay, master in commerce. After you do your 12th commerce, what you have supposed to do, you have to do BCom, you can do BBA. Okay, after your graduation, that is your graduation level. Okay, so after your graduation of 3 years, if you want to do post graduation, you can do your master in commerce or master in business management, that is MBA. Okay, so you all can do. If you want to become a CA, you can become a CA. So there are many options if you take commerce. Okay, and I congratulate you all to you all have taken a right career, that is commerce. Okay, you have lot of scope for commerce. So there was one boy whose name was Rahul. Okay, and he completed his master in commerce. Okay, with a very good marks. So he said to his father that I want to start a business. I don't want to join a job. I just want to start a business. I want to see how business works. Okay, so he was in a great thinking condition. Okay, he was thinking, okay, see what business I should start, what will be a profitable business for me. जैसे हम लोग अभी कोई बिज़नेस स्टार्ट करने का सोचते हैं, और हम लोग बहुत थिंक करते हैं, ऐसे ही कोई बिज़नेस नहीं स्टार्ट करता. अगर उसका पुराना बिज़नेस है तो वो कंटिन्यू करेगा, लेकिन अगर उसका नया बिज़नेस है तो ही विल स्टार्ट थिंकिंग कि विच बिज़नेस आई शुड स्टार्ट. ओके, सो आफ्टर थिंकिंग सो मच, he thought that he will start one shop. Okay, that is super shop, where you get all the stationeries, all the grocery items. Okay, he thought he will start one shop. So after thinking that he will start a shop, he discussed with his father ki I want to start a shop. So his father said, to set up a shop you require a lot of money. Okay, so he was again in a tension from where he'll bring a money. Okay, so money is just a normal word, but when you are talking about a business, you have to say capital. Okay, so from where he'll bring a capital, and how much time required to make arrangement for a capital. Okay, so even about maintaining books, okay, registration, everything require a lot of money for it. So he was in a little bit tension, but he had a very good friend, okay, who was very rich. Okay, so he insisted his friend that can you lend me some money. Okay, lending money, he said yes, sure, I will lend you some money, but the amount which you are telling, actually Rahul wanted around 20 lakhs rupees to set up a shop, but his friend said I will give you only 10 lakhs. He said, okay, you can give me 10 lakh, but what about remaining 10 lakhs? From where he'll find? So he went to a bank. Okay, he showed his proposal to a bank that I want to set up a shop. So can you lend me a loan of rupees 10 lakhs. So banks went through the proposal, they were satisfied and they lended him 10 lakhs rupees. Okay, so this is how he set up a shop. So his business was in a very good condition. They completed one successful year. The business was growing. He had earned a lot of capital. All the things were going in a very good position. Okay, he had lot of customers. He started online business also. So it was a very good business which he was running. So finally, after completing 1 year, he thought, "Ki, what would be my profit?" Okay, so he went to that what you call the department where all the records were there. So he just went and searched for the profit. So he was not able to find the profit. There were lot of bills which were there were some bills which were unpaid, there were some bills, there were some invoices, there were some files. So he was fully confused. He was not able to know where to find the profit, because he had just completed his master's degree, but he didn't have any practical experience. Because if you want to maintain accounts, you should know you should have a practical experience. So he was little bit tensed ki how I will find my profit. So what he did, he just went to his friend. Okay, his friend was there who had just completed a what you call bachelor's degree, and he had an experience of 1 year of keeping accounts. So what he said, he went to his friend. His friend was very good person. He maintained all the records in a book. Okay, yeah, you all can see the book. Okay, here there are some books, here there are books. Even if you go to any office, okay, if you will find some files, you will find some books, you will find some person with a calculator. He will be doing some calculations and recording. Okay, even you will find some persons or people who are maintaining records on the computers also. So he went to his friend. Okay, he said, hey, did you keep the records of everything whatever were there? So he said, yes, I have maintained all your records. Don't worry. I have kept each and every bill, whatever is to come. I have kept the record of all the purchases. I have kept the record of all sales, cash receipts, cash payment, each and every detail. If you ask, I can give you, because I have maintained all the record. Then Rahul was very happy to see this. So he said, tell me, what is my profit? So this time his friend was little bit confused. I can't tell you the profit what is there. So he said, okay, then what is the use of maintaining records? He said, I have maintained records so that we process it and we find out the profit. Without maintaining records, we cannot find profit. So he said, who will find the profit for me? So he said, so you have to appoint one CA or a person who is capable of finding out the profit. So they appointed some people. Okay, so these people started processing the records which were maintained by his friend. His friend has maintained all the records whichever were there, and they have handed over this to this auditing people. This auditing people maintained all the checked all the records which were maintained, and finally they found out what is their profit, what is their net profit, what is their gross profit, what is their balance sheet. In balance sheet they found assets, liabilities, everything they found. So here, as you can see, his friend who was there, he had just completed his graduation and he had 1 year experience, but that person can only record whatever transactions which are taking place in a company or a business. Okay, but he cannot find the profit or losses what is done in the year. Okay, so here accountancy and bookkeeping comes here. So bookkeeping is what? It is keeping the books. Okay, यहाँ पे सिर्फ आप लोग रिकॉर्ड कर सकते हो बुक कीपिंग में. ये पूरे 1 ईयर का प्रोसेस है. सो ये पूरे 1 ईयर के प्रोसेस में आप लोग सिर्फ रिकॉर्ड मेंटेन कर सकते हो कि कितना परचेज हुआ, कितना सेल्स हुआ, what is the income, what is the payments, what are the cash which is coming, which or how much payment of cash is done. Okay, then what is the bills. So all this can be recorded, but you cannot find out. To find out the profit or loss you should complete full 1 year. Okay, तो ये क्या करते हैं, ये जो पूरे रिकॉर्ड्स जो मेंटेन किए हुए हैं उसका क्या करते हैं, फिर ये अकाउंटेंसी, यहाँ से अकाउंटेंसी प्रोसेस स्टार्ट होता है. बुक कीपिंग का प्रोसेस जब एंड होता है वहाँ से अकाउंटेंसी स्टार्ट होता है. तो हियर ये वी हैव टू अपॉइंट सम ऑडिटर्स. ओके, ऑडिटर्स क्या करते हैं, इन सब रिकॉर्ड जो मेंटेन किया है उसको पूरे अच्छे से डिटेल में चेक करते हैं. दे विल एनालाइज इट कि ये पेमेंट सही है, ये पेमेंट किस में आएगा, कैश में आएगा, क्रेडिट में आएगा, ये सारे चेक करेंगे. फिर उसको आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे, फिर इसके बाद उसको समराइज करेंगे, फिर उसका हमें डिटेल इन्फॉर्मेशन देंगे कि हमारा रिजल्ट क्या है, कि हम लोगों ने प्रॉफिट किया है या लॉस किया है. सो वट एवर डिटेल्स आर देयर यू विल फाइंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ अकाउंटेंसी. सो लेट्स सी हमारे कंट्री में बुक कीपिंग एंड अकाउंटेंसी कैसे आ गया. सो योर इज अ पिक्चर. सी, बुक कीपर क्या करता है, सिर्फ रिकॉर्ड मेंटेन करता है. ही विल रिकॉर्ड एवरीथिंग. बट अकाउंटेंसी व्हाट दे विल डू, अकाउंटेंट दे विल एनालाइज एंड शो यू द रिजल्ट कि पैसे कितने हैं, पैसे कितने ख़त्म हो गए हैं, व्हाट इज़ योर प्रॉफिट, व्हाट इज़ योर लॉस, यू विल कम टू नो फ्रॉम दिस अकाउंटेंट. बुक कीपर विल ओनली मेंटेन द बुक्स. ओके, सो ये है. सो हमारे कंट्री में जब चंद्रगुप्ता मौर्य जो थे हमारे कंट्री में, तब उनके टाइम पे एक कौटल्या करके एक पर्सन था. तो वो उसका एक मिनिस्टर था. जब चंद्रगुप्ता मौर्य रेजिम था तब उसका एक मिनिस्टर था. वो पूरे रिकॉर्ड क्या करता था, ही इज टू मेंटेन इन द बुक नोन एज अर्थशास्त्र. ओके, ये बुक में वो सारे जो डिटेल्स थे वो मेंटेन करता था. यू कैन सी दिस बुक, दिस इज द अर्थशास्त्र एंड दिस इज द पर्सन who started accountancy in our country. This is कौटल्या. ओके, एंड उसके ये जो बुक में था, हियर देर आर सम ट्रेसेस कि बुक्स कैसे मेंटेन करते थे. सो देर आर सम फ्यू डिटेल्स रिगार्डिंग दिस अकाउंटेंसी एंड बुक कीपिंग इन दिस बुक, दैट इज अर्थशास्त्र. So here there was only few details about the accountancy and bookkeeping. But जब ये देखो, ये बुक ऐसे पहले मेंटेन करते थे, इसको बोलते थे देसी नामा. जस्ट यहाँ पे रिकॉर्ड करते जाते थे कि कितना खर्चा किया है, कितना परचेज किया, इन ओनली 1 लाइन. जैसे कि हम लोगों को हमारे मम्मी अगर बोले कि जाके 1,000 रुपीज़ दिए और बोले कि शॉप में से ये चीज़ें लेके आओ, तो हम लोग फिर जाते हैं और लेके आते हैं. तो फिर लेके आने के बाद मम्मी बोलती है कितना खर्चा हुआ गया, हाउ मच मनी इज रिमेनिंग विथ यू. सो व्हाट यू डू, यू जस्ट रिकॉर्ड इन वन पेज पे आप जो लिखते हो कि मैंने ग्रोसरीज के लिए इतना स्पेंड किया, मैंने क्लोथ्स के लिए इतने स्पेंड किए, मैंने मेडिसिन के लिए इतने स्पेंड किए. तो आप लोग जस्ट रिकॉर्ड करते हैं, तो उसको एक सिंपल रिकॉर्डिंग बोलते हैं. सो दिस इज हाउ दे यूज्ड टू मेंटेन, दैट इज दिस बुक इज नोन एज देसी नामा. यू ऑल मस्ट हैव सीन ओल्ड, आपके अगर ग्रैनी वगैरह थे तो उनके बुक्स ऐसे देखे होंगे शॉप्स में वगैरह. So this is how they used to maintain. But afterwards, after 19th century, there was a need of keeping a good book of account. So double entry system of bookkeeping came into existence. So this was the person, that is Luca Piccioli. So this person started the double entry system of bookkeeping. That's why this person is known as father of accounting. इसने बुक डबल एंट्री सिस्टम ऑफ बुक कीपिंग स्टार्ट किया. सो ही वॉज अ पर्सन हु वॉज अ इटालियन मर्चेंट. मर्चेंट्स मतलब पता है, मर्चेंट्स आर द ट्रेडर्स. ओके, जो ट्रेड करते हैं बिजनेस में, वो लोग हैं. सो दिस पर्सन started double entry system of bookkeeping. So here there was a need of double entry system of bookkeeping. double entry मतलब क्या है कि एवरी ट्रांजेक्शन, कोई भी ट्रांजेक्शन हो, परचेज हो, सेल्स हो, कुछ भी हो, उसके दो इफेक्ट रहते हैं, दैट इज डेबिट एंड क्रेडिट. ओके, सो दिस डेबिट एंड क्रेडिट, एक कोई भी ट्रांजेक्शन हो तो हर एक ट्रांजेक्शन के लिए देयर विल बी अ डेबिट एंड देयर विल बी अ क्रेडिट. ओके, तो उसको बोलते हैं डबल एंट्री सिस्टम ऑफ बुक कीपिंग. अभी आप लोगों ने देखे होंगे कि मैंने बहुत सारे नए टर्म्स यूज़ किए, जैसे कि लैंडिंग, बोरोविंग, कैपिटल, ओके, बिजनेस, फिर मैंने और रिकॉर्डिंग, एनालाइजिंग, फिर मैंने अकाउंटेंसी वर्ड यूज़ किया, बुक कीपिंग वर्ड यूज़ किया. ये सारे टर्म्स जो है दे आर वेरी न्यू टू यू ऑल. ओके, आप लोगों ने पहले थोड़े लोगों ने पढ़े होंगे, लेकिन बहुत सारे लोगों ने नहीं पढ़े होंगे. सो हियर इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास वी विल लर्न द टर्मिनोलॉजीज. ओके, तो मैं कल के क्लास में आई विल बी स्टार्टिंग विद द टर्म्स. सो यू रिक्वायर अ टेक्स्ट बुक फॉर दैट. ओके, तो आप लोगों को टेक्स्ट बुक चाहिए रहता है. सो इफ़ यू आर नॉट एबल टू बाय द टेक्स्ट बुक बिकॉज ऑफ दिस कोविड सिचुएशन, you all can download the textbook which is available on the Bal Bharati website. Okay, here there is a textbook available. You can download that textbook. Okay, it is a very good textbook. You all have a very good textbook. Okay, so here whatever doubts if you have, you all can tell me. Okay.